For lesson 4, assignment 2, you'll be presenting your final either emulsion or textured image as a fine art mat. So go ahead and select the final image in the library module and head over to the print module. It will probably show up as whatever the last format you used within the print module was. In this case, it was a 3x3 contact sheet. That's not what I want to use, and I do not want to use all film strip photos. I'm just going to go ahead and choose selected photos. I thought I had the correct one selected. Go ahead and correct the select image in the film strip if the same thing happens to you. And in the template browser, I might need to scroll down a little bit. I'm just going to choose Fine Art Matte. There you go. Go ahead and add a stroke border if you like. You can change the color or pixel size. Try and keep it very subtle. So I'm just going to keep about a pixel, and that's about it. I'm going to keep it as just one row, one column, and I can go ahead and print to file, and that will export a JPEG version of the image. Okay. I'm going to just go ahead and cancel now. Do it one more time. With the second image, you'll only be required to choose either the texture edition or emulsion simulation. I did both. In this case, I think the image might benefit from a slightly larger stroke border, just kind of to frame it. So then I would just go ahead and print to file.